Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. My name is Akib and here I'm going to share with you an automation by which you can use a form to send messages on Mattermost application to your team automatically. Okay, so now you might ask what is the use of this automation? Guys, you can use it in many ways, but the use case we have taken here is that uh, a team is collaborating on Mattermost application, which is an internal communication tool designed for developers and designers. And you have created a form by which you want to collect user stories or the requirements from your clients. And as and when you collect the requirements and the user stories, you want to inform about it to your team immediately that this is what our customers or user needs, so that your team can work on it accordingly and start discussing about it. Okay, so now let me show you how this automation is going to help you in this. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this, guys. Here I have taken the example of Pabbly Form Builder to build a form. You can use any other form builder application as well. Okay, and here as and when the form got submitted from the client or the user, a message will be delivered along with all the details you have captured from the form response on Mattermost application to your team automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you don't require any coding skills or programming knowledge, so anyone can set up this automation very easily. And this automation is going to save a huge amount of time of yours, which you have to spend on typing messages and collecting the data from the forms and send it manually to your team. Okay, so now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. So guys, for this you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, and after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here on this dashboard you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So guys, I have given the name to this workflow as send messages from a form to Mattermost application automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger here is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards that trigger. Okay, as in our use case, the trigger would be filling of the form and the action would be to send the message on Mattermost. Okay, so you have to set up this trigger first. So from this choose app field, select your trigger application, which is Pabbly Form Builder. Okay, by which we have created the form. Select this application, and then you have to select the trigger event as new form submission, and it will give you this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from an external application to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so with the help of this, we are going to make the connection with Pabbly Form Builder. You can read these instructions written here to do that. Let me show you how you can do this. Okay, so this is my dashboard of Pabbly Form Builder, guys. Okay, and here I'm going to click on integrations from the left hand side panel. Okay, and here I am selecting this form that I have created, a new feature request form. Okay, and here you will find this create webhook button. Click on create webhook, and here in this add webhook field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have here. So just click on copy from here and paste this webhook URL here in this add webhook field, and then click on save. Okay, and you can see a new webhook is added here, and here in Pabbly Connect it will show this kind of label and value. Okay, blank response. Now you have to click on recapture webhook response button, click on yes, and it will start showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission or a demo submission. This means now you have to fill the form on the behalf of any demo client or demo user, and we are going to capture the data from that form to here. Okay, and with the help of that data only, we are going to set up this automation further, right? So guys, this is the form that I have created. This is a simple form that I have created just to show you the demo how to set up this automation. You can customize it accordingly. And here, let's say any of my user is filling this form, so you have to fill the first name and the last name of himself, the email address, and here in this message you have to type what he want to tell us or what his demands. So I'm writing the message as I want more more appropriate and detailed instructions for making the connections with different applications. Okay, so here I have written this kind of message. I want more appropriate and detailed instructions for making the connection with different applications. So this is something our user wants from us. So I'm clicking on submit here, and you can see the form is submitted successfully. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this form. And here you can see we got the response like this. This is the person's name, and the demand he has filled in the message is here. Okay. So this is how you can capture the response. Now I want to send this message that we have received from the form to Mattermost team. Okay, for that to happen, you have to connect Mattermost application here in the sections tab. So from this field, choose a field, search for Mattermost. This is it, select it. And the action event would be create a post. Okay, select it. Then click on connect here. And from this window, select add new connection. And here it will ask for this token to make the connection. So you'll find this access token from the security section of Mattermost application. Okay, so on the profile icon you have to reach the personal access tokens and then click create a new token. Okay, and so you can follow these instructions written here to make this connection. Okay, let me show you how you can find this. So guys, this is my Mattermost applications dashboard, and here are the channels I have: off topic channel, Pabbly team channel, Pabbly Connect channel, and town square. Okay, right? And here I'm going to click on this profile icon, and from here I'm going to click on profiles. Under the profile section, click on security section. Under the security section, you will find this personal access token option. And from this personal access token, you can create a token for yourself by clicking on create token. Here you can provide a small token description. I'm making the token description as from Pabbly form. Okay, you can write it accordingly to yourself, and then click on save. Okay, click on yes, create, and here is the access token created for us. So first of all, just copy this access token from here, paste it here. Okay, like this. Okay, and you can now close this window. Yes, I have copied the token, right? And you will find the Mattermost URL which you need to enter here, right here in your dashboard. In the search bar you can see this is our URL, so you have to copy this URL from mattermost.com up till here, including the HTTP thing. Okay, so from here let me copy this. Okay, then you have to paste this Mattermost URL here in this field like this. Okay, just remove this backslash like this. Okay, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Mattermost application. You can see we are connected now. Okay, now here it is asking to select your team in which is working. So we have only one team here, the main team. Okay, so it is selected automatically. Now you have to select the channel in which you want to send the message. So we have many channels here. Let's select this town square only. So I'm selecting town square channel from here, and here you have to type the message that you want to send to your team. So let me type the message here. So here I have written the message for my team as this: hello team, we have received a new submission from our feature request form, and these are the details you will get from the request form. So I'm going to map the details from this form response here in this step, let me show you how. So in front of this client's name, when you click, you will find this Pabbly Form Builder option in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the client details as the name like this. Okay, so just map the name first. Okay, for the client email address, you will find the email here as well. For the message, you can map the message that you have received. This is the message. Okay, so we are done mapping the things, and now it is asking this root post ID, so we do not need this. This is not a compulsory things. We do not need the field ID too. Now you can check the connection with Mattermost application. I'm going to click on save and send test request, and this channel is going to receive a new message. Okay, let me show you how. So I have clicked on save and send test request, and this is a kind of response we have received. Let's check in Mattermost if we got a message, and here you can see in Town Square channel we have received a new message, which is hello team, we have received a new submission from our feature request form, and these are the details, and these are the same things that you have mapped and typed here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. Let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger, I connected Pabbly Form Builder application. With the help of this URL, we made the connection and captured a demo response from a demo client like this. After that, in the action step, I connected Mattermost application, selected the team and the channel, and typed the message that we want to deliver and map the data like this. So when you map the data like this, as and when you receive a form submission, this data is going to change accordingly. Okay. Now let me show you a real-time example, guys. Actually, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you receive a form submission, your team is going to receive a message. Let me show you how. I'm opening my form again, right, and let me fill the details again with different name, different email, and a different message. Let's say the message is, so the message is this: I want to place a new action event for Mattermost application to delete a message. This is a query from our user, and I'm clicking on submit, and the form is submitted. Now let me show you directly in Mattermost if we got the message for this submission. And here you can see we have received a new message, and now you can see the message is changed accordingly as the data we have mapped. Okay, right? So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys, and the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.